Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Derin, and my channel is all about bringing you yummy and delicious recipes from all around the world. So the recipes I showcase on my channel are usually not streamlined to a particular continent, but they span various continents, and they are usually very unique and very yummy. If this is your first time here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now and click on the subscribe button, which is that red button you're seeing. I'm trying to reach the 1,000 subscribers limit, and so it really helps a lot if you could subscribe. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be taking you along on my fruit shopping, and I'm just going to be showing you how to select your fruits. First and foremost, we are going to start with pineapples. So when you're selecting the pineapples, just take the pineapple and smell it. It should have a fruity flavor. You want to ensure that the pineapple is actually ripe, and so it's going to have a golden look to it. So you can see where I'm selecting, it should be yellow and should look ripe, and that's because usually the pineapple sits down, so the juice also actually flows downwards. So the bottom of the pineapple should really be golden in nature. And then also when you pick on the head of the pineapple, if it is ripe, you should easily pull out, just as I just did right now. And so that is how to select your pineapple. So this is the pineapple I selected, and you can see it's all ready and ripe. It's all golden in look, and when I peel the head of the pineapple, it's gonna just fall out easily, and there's no really any issues with that. The other thing you can do before you cut your pineapple is to turn it upside down so that it can flow to the bottom of the pineapple, and it makes everything delicious and yummy. So you can see that when I plucked the head, it's just falling off easily, and that is how you know that pineapple is ripe and ready to eat. Please don't select any pineapple that is green in nature, because it's not gonna be sweet. So that's a thumbs up for this pineapple I've selected, and that's something you should note when you go next to purchase a pineapple. You can see this is really looking so juicy, and it's not like it's rotting or anything. So that's very good. We're going to just cut it so you have a look at the inside of the pineapple. So when I cut it into two, you would see that the pineapple looks very yummy. There's no any brownish look internally. So the next fruit we are going to be looking at would be watermelon. For watermelon, you have to lift it up and see. It should be regular in shape. It should feel heavy for the size, and also you should have like a yellow spot. You can see that these watermelons, they're all whitish in look and are kind of green, where it's meant to be yellow, like that's portion, that place that is white. That watermelon is actually not ripe, and so it's gonna, when you cut it, you find out that it's not as red as it should be. And then so just look around, lift it up, and shake it. A good watermelon should feel heavy because of the water content. So this is the watermelon I selected. You can see that it has that yellow spot, and that yellow spot indicates that it's been sitting on the ground to make it harvest. So this watermelon is actually a good watermelon to select. Yeah, there are a lot of scrapes, some scrapes at the side, but that shows that it's actually been sitting on the ground, and that's something you should take note of. The most important thing for you is to carry it and ensure that it feels heavy, the shape is symmetrical and doesn't have like an irregular shape, and it has that yellow bright spot, that yellow spot I'm talking about. Anyone that is like whitish in look, that shows that the watermelon is not ready to be eaten, and it's not ripe. And watermelons don't ripe when you after harvest, so just that's something to take note of. So I've cut the watermelon. Now you can see that the inside is very red, and it's so sweet and delicious. I hope I've been able to teach you how to select a good watermelon this way. The next one we're going to be looking at would be avocados. When you're shopping for avocados, sometimes they're actually not ripe, but that's fine. One thing you want to make sure of is that when you pluck the stem, the inside should be green. And so that's one thing you want to take into consideration when you're selecting avocados. If you want the avocados to get softer after you purchase it, just place it in a dark place and it's going to soften up after a while, depending on the level of softness you're looking for. So the next fruit we'll be looking at would be cantaloupes. So cantaloupes the good ones should actually be like golden brown in look. Like this one still has the stem attached to it, so that's a no. You don't want any cantaloupe that has a stem attached to it. You're actually looking for a cantaloupe that is golden brown in look. Like these ones, they're really just like greenish white, and that means they are not ready yet. You also don't want a cantaloupe that has scratches all over. This is like a perfect example of a cantaloupe that you would purchase, and of course this is the internal when you cut it up. So that's how to select a cantaloupe. The next one would be coconuts. When you're selecting a coconut, you have to lift it up and shake it. You should of course have a lot of water in it, and also check the eyes. They should have like 3 eyes, and the eyes should be prominent. And then when you press on the eyes, you don't want it to, it should still be firm. And just shake it and check and look at the eyes and press it. You can see that it's still firm, and the look should look also good. And just make sure that the eye is still firm, and if it shows that it's a little bit soft, that means the coconut is going bad, and you don't want a coconut that is going bad. So that's it, guys. I've shown you how to select a pineapple, I've shown you how to select a watermelon, cantaloupe, avocado, and coconut. So that's 5 fruits. So now I hope that when you go shopping, you're not going to buy bad fruits or rotten fruits again, and you'll be able to know what to select. So thank you, guys. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please share as much as you can. And I'm just trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers limit, and of course when we hit that 1,000 subscribers limit, there's gonna be a giveaway. So I'm gonna be having my first giveaway at that stage. Thank you for watching this video, and please share as much as you can. I would like to see your comments at the bottom of this video if you have any, and I'll be sure to respond to them. Take care. Bye.